Hi, I am Lunar, your witch guide. Are you torn between starting a food truck or a container cafe? Fear not, my dear entrepreneur. I, your magical guide, will brew up the perfect comparison potion to help you decide. Let's go. First up, initial costs. Starting a food truck is like making a potion with just a few ingredients: truck, equipment, and a little magic. It's budget-friendly and gets you on the road faster. But the container cafe? Oh, darling, that's a deluxe potion. You'll need a sturdy container, custom interiors, and a perfect spot to park your magical abode. Costs can brew higher, but it's oh so worth it if you want a long-term home for your brand. Now we'll look at the side-by-side comparison. Both of these startups can be differentiated on the basis of types and sizes. For a food truck, it can either be a cart, a van, or a trailer. And for the cafe, it could vary on the basis of 3 different sizes: 20 by 8 feet, 30 by 8 feet, 40 by 8, or could be customized. The initial cost basically depends upon the level of customization for both, and can range anywhere from 1.5 lakhs to 15 lakhs, including the interior and overhead expenses. Now, as far as the miscellaneous cost is concerned, some factors remain the same, like raw materials, insurance, licenses, battery, to run the electricals, and parking lease cost, but would be different in case of petrol charges and vehicle service for a food truck, and repairs and seating expenses in terms of a container cafe. Next spell, mobility versus stability. Food trucks are like a broomstick with wheels. Zoom wherever the hungry humans are. Festivals, parks, city streets, you name it. But a container cafe, that's the grounded wizard in the room. Stable, reliable, and always in the same spot. It's the perfect hangout for your loyal customers who know where to find you every single day. Now let's talk about customer experience. When you are putting dessert on the table, it is important that it represents a unique sense of style in cohesion with your brand personality and a feeling of belonging to the customers. You don't need to make lavish 5-star restaurant treats to begin with, but you got to be best at what you do. Bring out your own creativity. Make a theme for your menu if possible. Try to inculcate healthy versions of your desserts. The menu doesn't have to be a 3-page book, but rather short and well-planned. You can even add some savory options and beverages. Make them catchy and addictive. Food trucks are all about quick spells. Grab your treat and go. Perfect for customers who are on the move. But the container cafe? Oh, sweethearts, that's a whole vibe. Think cozy corners, whimsical decor, and a place to linger. You can cast a stronger spell on your customers here, creating unforgettable memories. Once you know how to hook your customers, then you'll never have to worry about sales. Marketing here will come into play and allow you reach to a larger target audience, and feedbacks will help you to improve and cater to their needs. When it comes to customization and branding, both are magical in their own way. A food truck is like a blank canvas on wheels. Decorate it with your brand's whimsical style, and it'll turn heads wherever it goes. It is important to plan out everything in advance and learn through experiences along the way. Customization must be adapted not only in terms of the design elements, but also in regards to the menu planning. It's always better if a little extra oomph can be added to the already decided menu items to make them hot selling in the tier list. On the other broomstick, a container cafe offers more room to cast your branding spells. Bigger walls, more decor, and endless opportunities to enchant your customers with your theme. You can always consult an expert for advice or look online for information. Research is the key. Do a lot of research, extra knowledge always pays off. Brainstorm ideas, note down as much as you can, and then cancel out the things which are not useful as per your requirement. Things will start to clear up as you work along the way. So the takeaway is, you have to put your heart and soul in everything you do, no matter which path you take, because all of it would be meaningless if it is not done wholeheartedly. Of course, there would be hardships along the way, but it depends on you. Which one should you choose? If you're ready to hit the road and chase adventure, the food truck is your enchanted ride. But if you want to build a cozy home for your brand and create a lasting experience, the container cafe is your spellbook's answer. Either way, remember, your bakery's magic lies in you. Pick what aligns with your vision, sprinkle in your creativity, and watch your dreams soar. If you'd like a more detailed video on either of these 2 startups, do let me know in the comments section below. Until next time, stay whimsical, keep spreading that bakery magic, and subscribe for more informative videos. Bye!